In the heart of the land, when the sun burns bright, an African rises, a beacon of light and hope, from desert vast to river wide. Through storms of trial, they stride with pride. Each step they take bears the weight of dreams. Under skies that echo their silent scream, yet, like the eroki, they root so deep in soil where ancestor spirits keep. Through wars of history, shadow of pain, through drought, despair, and torrential rain, their will, unbroken, defies the gala, a story of courage that will never pale. They carry the past like a drum's bolt beat, the rhyme of struggle beneath their feet, a legacy woven in fabric and song, a reminder of where they've always belonged. Through hands that till and minds that scheme, they build anew, shaping the dreams. In city that hunts and field that yield, their sweat and blood transforms the field. When famine whisper and burden divide, when oppression looms and hope seems denied, they hold their ground, unwavering, truth, finding strength in the many, not in few. O eroki tree, with branches high, teach them to reach for the endless sky. Through roots entwined in the earth's embrace, they find their strength, their sacred space. In marketplaces, bustling with life and sound, in quiet villages, where wisdom abounds. Through every hardship, their spirits sing, for resilience flow in an endless spring. An African know the fire they hold, a blaze unwavering, bold. Though wind may howl and shadow may fall, they stand eternal, unyielding, tall. For even when the world may forget their name, they write their story, they stake their claim. A tapestry spun from struggles and grace, a monument crave in time and space. Through every trial, enjoy or strive, they embody the powers of unyielding life. The eroki stands, their kindred tree, a symbol of strength, unbroken, free. We are Africans, we are strength, value, culture, and in us is a true definition of hope. These are the words of Ezene, a lady grown and raised in the bustling city of Imo.